Hey, what's going on? Welcome to the channel, Dream It, Make It. Today, we are seeing if Sucklebusters Area 51 is an easy bird brine or if it's kind of difficult. Alright, so this package, the Area 51 bird brine package, it comes with an herb packet, comes with a brine bag, and then it also comes with a brine solution that we're going to get all mixed up. The directions are right here on the front of the bag, so let's get into this. Add the small packet of herbs to 2 quarts of water to a large pot. Alright. Alright, so we got the 2 quarts of water in. Here's our herb packet. Go ahead and get that in there. Alright, so I added the small packet of herbs to the 2 quarts of water. It says stir often, bring water up to a boil, and then remove it from the heat. And then we're going to add our large packet of seasonings. Alright, so I added that packet to it. Now it says to add 2 quarts of ice cold water. It's 2 quarts. Alright, we got the ice added, the water added. Now it just says to stir until it comes to room temperature. Ice has melted, water's nice and cool. All we have left to do now is place the turkey in the brine bag and pour this over it. Seems pretty simple. I've done other turkey brines where it's just you scoop it out, add it to some water, stir it up, drop your bird in. It's way easier, but none of those smell like this. This smells incredible. It smells like a meal is ready to go right now. And so it wasn't that hard. It didn't take that long. Overall, it took probably 15 minutes, and I'm really looking forward to tasting this brine and this turkey. If you want to see the full video of me cooking the turkey and all, go ahead and hit this link right here, and it'll take you right to it. If you like this video, hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next cook.